Executive Chef Nicholas Armstrong with Siro's Restaurant at 885 2nd Avenue in Manhattan. And this is beer breaded halibut with Bread Crumb. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is introduce, this is a nice piece of halibut here. We're going to take some salt here and heavily season both sides. Okay. This would be the skin side. We want the skin side down for this dish. In a metal mixing bowl, I'm going to put a little bit of mayonnaise and just a touch of honey, a little more salt, a little herb. This is parsley chopped. Just mix that up. We're going to put it right on top of the fish.
Okay.
We're going to take some fresh breadcrumb, layer that right over the top. Just kind of pack it in, give it a nice crust. Then we're going to go ahead and take a pad of butter, place it right on top. I have a really cool seasonal pumpkin ale here, spiced pumpkin ale. Pour it right on the sizzle platter. We're going to pop this bad boy in the oven, bake it off. Halibut's done, nice and golden brown. That butter's nice and melted, part of the crust now. I'm going to go ahead and plate that. Simple but elegant. This is Executive Chef Nicholas Armstrong from Siro's Restaurant at 885 2nd Avenue in Manhattan. And this is beer breaded halibut with breadcrumbs. This rich fish is sure to please your taste buds.